If you want to transfer data from or to your USB drive and your Redmi Note 15, all you have to do is just to first connect this, quite obvious. But now we have to go for File Manager and wait until it will open. We have to skip all of those ads for sure. And as you can see right now, we have to go for the storage. Okay, we got another annoying ad that we have to unfortunately wait until it disappears. There we go. And here, as you can see, you can find the type, the USB device. So now let's say I want to transfer something from my phone into my USB device. So I will go actually into maybe into my downloads, or no, let's find some pictures, for example. Here I can find some screenshots. So I'm gonna transfer this screenshot and this screen record from my phone storage into the USB drive, and you have to click on the move and now select the USB storage. Now we select the folder. I'm gonna put this into the downloads. Click here on this switcher, and now as you can see, we just successfully moved that files from our phone into the USB drive. And it looks the same if you want to move something from your USB drive into your phone storage. Basically, you have to open your USB device, pick the file, select move, and it will be finished.